What if I told you there's a secret plan in motion, one that could rewrite the entire financial system as we know it, a plan that, if successful, could shake Wall Street to its core and put power back in the hands of everyday Americans? Is Donald Trump preparing for an economic revolution? Stay with us, because what we're about to reveal could change everything. Trump speaking at a rally, followed by clips of banks and the Federal Reserve. Donald Trump has never been shy about his views on the financial system. During his presidency, he criticized the Federal Reserve, Wall Street elites, and international banking institutions. But now, as 2024 approaches, sources suggest that Trump has a bold new strategy, one that could upend the U.S. economy and disrupt the financial order. A shadowy figure placing documents on a desk, a zoom-in on monetary reform documents. According to insiders, Trump's plan involves a major shift away from traditional banking policies. At the heart of this strategy, de-dollarization. If successful, this could reduce the U.S. dollar's global dominance and rework the way international trade functions. Trump has hinted at this before, suggesting a return to a gold-backed system, or even launching a digital currency controlled directly by the Treasury. Federal Reserve building, stock market crashes, people struggling with inflation. To understand why Trump may be pursuing this path, let's look at the issues with the current financial system. The Federal Reserve, which controls the money supply, has printed trillions of dollars in recent years. This has led to record-high inflation, devaluing your savings and making everyday essentials more expensive. Meanwhile, big banks continue to profit while the middle class struggles. Trump's plan aims to address these issues by reducing government control over money and placing more power in the hands of the people. Animated breakdown of a gold-backed currency, digital currency concepts. There are two major possibilities for Trump's financial reset. The first is a return to the gold standard, where the U.S. dollar is backed by gold rather than being printed at will. This would limit inflation and stabilize the currency, but could also create economic shocks. The second possibility is the launch of a new government-backed digital currency, potentially bypassing traditional banks and giving the Treasury more direct control over money circulation. Families' budgeting, gas prices, mortgage rates. If Trump moves forward with this plan, what does it mean for you? In the short term, we could see volatility in the financial markets as investors react. Mortgage rates, savings accounts, and loan accessibility could all be affected. But in the long run, a more controlled money supply could mean lower inflation, reduced national debt, and a stronger economy for the average American. Rich elites versus struggling small businesses, Wall Street versus Main Street. Not everyone would be happy with this change. Major banks and financial institutions have benefited from the current system for decades, profiting from inflation and government bailouts. If Trump dismantles the Federal Reserve's power, Wall Street could face a reckoning. On the other hand, small businesses and working-class Americans could finally see financial relief. The question is, will the financial elite let it happen? Political debates, protests, media coverage. Of course, this wouldn't come without resistance. The Federal Reserve, Congress, and powerful economic players may push back hard. We could see legal battles, political maneuvering, and even media campaigns attempting to discredit Trump's financial strategy. The success of this plan would depend on whether Trump can outmaneuver these forces and rally enough support from the public. Split screen of Trump and the Federal Reserve building. If Trump moves forward with his plan, the Federal Reserve's role in setting interest rates and printing money could change drastically. This means fewer government bailouts for big banks and more control over money supply directly within the White House. But there's a catch. Wall Street and major financial institutions won't go down without a fight. Could we see a clash between Trump and the financial elite? Fast montage of stock market graphs, news headlines, and Trump speaking. So is Trump's secret plan a bold move to restore economic freedom, or could it lead to financial chaos? No matter which side you're on, one thing is clear. If this plan takes shape, it could mean the biggest shift in the financial world in decades. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into political and financial moves shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.